Right, lads, basically we have the car running. I replaced the ECU already. So today we are trying to understand why does the car it's misfiring. So I'm going to show you the car running. It's misfiring, and we have we bought the spark plugs already, and we have a coil plug just in case it's the coil plug. I don't know, I have to check first. Yeah, so we are going to do that today. So there's a couple of wires here. I have to know which one is misfiring. So the fourth cylinder isn't doing anything. Yeah, it's the fourth. Hopefully it's just a coil. We are going to check. So we are going to turn this off. And now we are going to remove this coil plug again. And unplug it. We are going to remove the first or the second one and plug it there. And if the fourth cylinder is still fucked, we know that it's not a coil plug. So connect this one here and start the car again. Yeah, seems to be the coil plug. It's a very good thing, because we have one to replace. So this is faulty. This is the coil plug. This is the coil plug in the second cylinder. Yeah, at the moment, because I swapped them to check. Now we come to my Jeep. I have a brand new one here, a Bosch one. So this is the new one. Going to plug this in. Yeah, seems to be better, hopefully. Sounds way healthier. Way better. Right? And you can see the engine light is off. So it was definitely that. So since we have the engine running properly now, I'm going to change the oil, change the spark plugs, just in case. And I might put the handbrake in the correct place. I don't know, maybe if I have time. Because all these rubbers are completely dried because this car wasn't running, I'd say, a long time. Alright, perfect. I think I have the oil filter for this, and we are going for the spark plugs. So for the spark plugs we need to remove all of the coil plugs, obviously. Right, so we remove, let's start with these three first. Remove 1, 2 and 3. And now we need obviously the socket for the spark plugs. Let's say it's a 16. So yeah, it's a 16. We need a 16 and an extension. I think it's a 16. It is, has to be. Yeah, 16. Fuck. What's wrong with this? There's a rubber there. What? It is my rubber or not? Fuck. So I have to figure it out. How am I going to remove the first spark plug? Because there's a rubber there. I don't know how, but someone tried to replace the spark plugs maybe. Alright, not the end of the world. It's a little bit of oil. Right, we have to continue. Fourth. Fifth. Fucking plugs are stuck. Right, the 5th and the 6th are not coming up, so we are going to just plug the coil plugs out. Right, we made a hook, hopefully. Yeah. So it was this shit. Was this part of the fucking coil plug or something? I don't know. Right, we can remove the coil, the plug finally. Right. First, then we go for the 5th. A little dry as well. Right, 6 spark plugs, old ones. Now we get the new ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4th, and 5th, and 6th. So all the spark plugs are there. We are going to throw away the old ones. Right, now we tighten everything. This, opa, oh, but now we are going to start the engine to warm up a little bit more, and then we are going to change the oil on this. The same shit, but just in case. Alright. Now for the oil filter. The oil filter housing is here. Right, now we check in our kit which socket is. Right, so we got the universal one and it's working, so it's perfect. It's like in the maximum possible, but if it works. Right, to remove this one and let the oil drain. Fuck. Alright, so when you're doing an oil filter, we need to replace the O-rings as well. So we need to replace this O-ring, remove it with a pick, and this O-ring, because the new oil filter always come with this. First one, the small one first. Alright, no, one otro. And then this one, a little bit of oil, new oil filter in, sempre baixo. Não tenho que tirar o outro, mas não tirei. Now we tight this. Foda-se, aquele pico dá-me um jeito, caralho.
Vai buscar.
Que dá-me buscar do caralho agora para tirar a cilindagem. And it's done. A little bit of brake cleaner to clean everything. It's good to go. Now we remove the oil. Now we come underneath the car. And we basically there's some plugs there. It's a 17. And this. We have to let it drain. Okay. Let this drain. It's good. And the oil, it was very good to be fair. Push this to the side. And we tight this, not too much. It's good. And it's done now. It's just the new oil and it's good. Now we drain the old oil into our reservoir to throw it away after. We clean this. Right, so this engine takes 6.5 liters. So we are going for 4 now. Right, perfect. Now we turn it on. Go backwards a little bit to get out of the ramps. Yeah. And for today's episode, that's it. I'm not going to do anything else today. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'm going to keep you guys updated. So, see you soon.